Hello.
Hello.
Anybody home? Whose house is this?
Manu.
Whose house is this? I think it's Jane's house. Tell Daddy you want a picture window in the front and a bay window in the back.
Jane.
Jane.
Hi, Pumpkin.
Daddy's out here.
Would you repeat?
Daddy here.
Hi.
Daddy here.
I wonder if Daddy can get in there with her.
Oh, now Sarah did it. So it can be done, but it's snug.
Why you just have to change the roof line, that's all.
There you go.
Who's in there with you? Who's in Jane's house?
Hi. Hi.
Mom.
Oh, we raised the roof.
Mommy.
I could make a proper roof out of this.
Broccoli.
Proper roof. Okay.